Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making Cucuzza Chowder. Grandpa grew this nice Cucuzza squash in our garden, so I am using this. But you can also use zucchini instead. This is a very cheap meal to make. It is a nice light meal, but it is also very filling. It is also very easy to make. I will leave a link below to my other 3 Cucuzza recipes. The ingredients you need to make the Cucuzza chowder is 1 Cucuzza cut up into pieces, 1 chopped onion, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 medium potatoes cut into pieces, a cup of corn, a cup of beans. I'm using cannellini beans, but you could use whatever beans you like. 4 cups of water, 3 cloves of cut up garlic. I'm going to put the heat to medium heat, and I'm going to add my 4 tablespoons of butter and just let this melt. The butter is almost melted now. Now it's melted. So I'm going to add my chopped onion. And now I'll cook this till it gets translucent. The onions have been cooking 5 minutes and they look translucent. So now I'm going to add my garlic and just cook it for a little bit. I don't want my garlic to burn. Now I'm going to add my 2 cut up potatoes. My 1 Cucuzza cut up. And mix this up. Then I'm adding my cup of corn, my cup of beans, and stir it up good. Now I'm going to add my 4 cups of water. And now I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of pepper. You could add whatever seasoning you like to this. We like pepper. We don't add salt, but you could add salt if you like. And I have to bring this to a boil. And then when it gets to a boil, I'll just lower the heat and simmer it for maybe a half an hour. The soup started to simmer, so now I'm going to simmer it for till everything gets soft. Till the potatoes and the Cucuzza get soft. The Cucuzza chowder is all done. I cooked it in 30 minutes and everything is nice and tender. So this is a very quick meal to put together. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Very tasty, Ma. Everything tastes nice. The corn, the potatoes are nice and soft. The Cucuzza really tastes good. Got nice flavors. Very hearty. You did a wonderful job, Ma.